Welcome, guys, again to the UpNLive show here on TGM Radio. And we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. And we are sponsored by Shush Prints, Bass Prints, and we are powered by World Mag. We have a very bad.
Bad.
Well bad. Fully bad. Fully bad artist in the studio. I'm going to call him KK. Because the last time I tried to pronounce his name, it did not work out for me. So, I'm going to call you KK. Is that cool, KK?
That risky, you know?
Just say KP, innit? KP.
Okay, KP is more like it.
Welcome. Yeah, KK risky, man. You know
them ones.
I don't want to get no white today, is it?
Mine, put that one escape on you know.
KK.
Yes.
Anyway, moving us along. So, welcome to the UpNLive studios. How are you? It's been
a while.
It's been a while since you've last been with us.
Yeah, it's been a little while still.
Yeah, what have you been up to?
Well, I released a project, a mixtape called Concrete Sound.
Okay.
So I've got that out there kind of juggling at the moment. But right now I'm also working on two small projects, two EP. I'm working on a joint EP project with another artist by the name of Kelvin Aramana.
Okay.
And then I've got so that one's gonna be more like it's like a fusion of dancehall with Afro beats and a different kind of stuff. I'm actually gonna be doing a bit of rapping on it as well. So,
nice. Which is
just
good.
to show people,
your
that
versatility.
we got this thing.
Yeah. Okay.
I must say congratulations and the person side I think it's cause I don't know if you want to disclose it, but congratulations. If you just want, just accept the congratulations.
You can say it, man. Listen, I'm proud of it. I'm all good with it.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't want to be the one to
what are we saying congratulations
He's
for?
basically saying congratulations because I got married.
Okay.
Oh, bless you.
Well, me never say it.
I like stories like that. Congratulations.
Yeah, but you know what? I want you to say it, not me to
put it out there like that.
Yeah. Suppose he didn't want to say it.
No, don't worry, man. The female fans them are still good, man. They're all the same way, man.
A pile up.
You get me?
Pile up.
They just have to look over the wall. They can't go no further.
That's the control the eyebrow and the yes, I'm blush. But anyway, big up yourself. Congratulations on that.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
And I like to congratulate. I see you working with Maestro Dan. Big up Maestro Dan, me artist.
Yeah.
I like that song there.
Yeah.
All the connection go for that.
Do you know what? Yeah, I actually reached out to him, and then we exchanged numbers. We spoke on the phone a few times.
Yeah,
and just basically just letting him know what I wanted to do, And one thing I can say, like I respect the fact that he, took the time to actually, do the work and stuff.
He did,
So I really appreciate that and I respect that,
Yeah, because he's a good artist, underrated artist.
Oh, 100%. I think he's definitely one of the most underrated there, but we know there's always little politics behind the thing, and if you're not a yes man to everybody, then
you know it go.
Yeah, so.
So how's the climate for you musically in the UK right now? How are you fitting into the space?
Do you know what? Yeah, if I'm being honest, I feel like I get a bit of love in the UK, but I feel like a lot of my love is also coming from places like Africa and that, like some of the countries that you wouldn't really expect it from. Like I feel like they show a lot more support, but I feel like with the UK market, I just need to find that what they're connecting with at the moment, and I feel like that's what I just need to just keep pushing for that. So appreciate those who are supporting me so far in it, but I feel like I could do with a bit more support in the UK.
What's your take on this this Afrobeats versus dancehall thing? Well they're trying to say Afrobeats is replacing the dancehall. What's your take on that?
Do you know what? I can say that I have noticed that a little bit, but I think that's down to dancehall and everyone that's a dancehall artist and the people who are in the dancehall space. I feel like they're not utilizing dancehall like the way like the older artists would. I feel like the way dancehall, the road dancehall's going down now, it's not really dancehall. It's like they're just switching it in a way where I don't really feel like it's necessarily. I understand you got to adapt and go with the change and the flow of things, but then at the same time, I do feel like that's down to the big established artists who are actually setting certain trends, so everyone's following that trend, and I feel like
that's where it's getting lost.
Yeah, I feel like that's where it's getting lost with the whole dancehall scene, and I feel like dancehall's losing that. Dancehall's one of that style of music where even if people don't understand it, they can vibes to it. I feel like it's losing that kind of sound to it where you can vibes to it anyways, where it's good to have the lyrics in that, but you need to be having a balance as well where people can actually listen. I feel like that element where people, even when they don't understand it, the element that they would dance to and vibes to, I feel like that's the element that's starting to slowly drift away.
Okay, so basically the beat, the rhythm.
Yeah, all of it. Like you could hear a dancehall beat back in there and be like, that's dancehall.
Yeah.
You hear the beats now, it can be anything. You don't know, you can do dancehall on it, you can do rap, you can do anything.
So wouldn't that be a very good thing, because the music over the years always evolved?
Yeah.
So wouldn't you think that is a good move for it evolving, changing?
It's a good move, yeah, but still keep certain foundation to it still. I feel like a lot of the foundation is missing from it. That's how I feel. And I just personally, the way I feel like with all dancehall now, it's like we're selling it too short. I feel like we're not getting the credit that we deserve. And I feel like as a big artist, like in certain spaces I've noticed, like as a big artist, I feel like even if they were to jump on a collaboration with a big top American artist or something, I feel like what they give them for it, I don't feel like they should really accept it. I don't feel like they get the full credit, because it's like in a space like Jamaica now, let's say for example a £3,000, like that's a lot of money in Jamaica still.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Whereas like a big established American artist, if he's gonna get another American artist on there, he's gonna have to pay man a good $5 million American dollars, 20 mil or whatever it is. With the Jamaican artists, they're not doing that because they know that the money over there is small. So I feel like they by them accepting those things, I feel like they're kind of, do you know what I mean? I feel like they kind of just water it down. Yeah, do you know what I mean?
But well, I'm kind of up on the fence in that situation still, in that aspect still, but I hear your point still. So what would you say needs to be done for Kalidaskp to like reach where he needs to go right now?
I feel like I need to like take my time and not rush my projects. I feel like I need to take time, listen over and over and over, because something to you hearing it there and then might sound okay to you, and then you look at it like 2-3 months down the line and it sounds different. So I feel like I need to do that. I feel like I need to adapt my sound a bit more to what's actually happening out there and what's actually buzzing and stuff, but at the same time still keep a certain part of me with it as well. So
what was your would you say your highlight so far in your career, your best period of time to say, all right, that was the best time for me? Like you said, you found growth, you find that you achieved something. What would be that your best spell?
I would say personally it's meeting the people that I've been meeting now, like the people that I know now in terms of the artists that I've collaborated with or I'm speaking to, or people that speak to me and give me advice and stuff. I feel like I'm in a good space where I have a good set of people around me that can be honest with me about my music and the directions that I need to take it and stuff. And I feel like that's my highlight right now. I wouldn't say my highlight is this performance over air or this music video. I'd say it's kind of the support that I have behind me and the people that are rooting for me now.
Makes sense. And so for you now, you're working, you said you're still juggling the EP you had out there. How many tracks you said you had on it?
There is 12 tracks on it. I had to think about that.
But you should know that off at the top of your head, so yes, you know what?
Yeah. I should. I was actually listening to it today as well, just like
trying to refresh.
Yeah.
But how do you operate? So for instance, say you have a new song, how do you go into studio? Do you just go into studio, play that beat, vibe to it, or you put pen to paper first and then you go studio and then join them together? Because everyone approach music different.
I do it. There's two ways I do it. I will write sometimes, and sometimes write with pen and paper, but sometimes I'll write in my head as well. And then once I feel like I have stuff, I'm the type of person I'll record a flow with my phone and keep that flow and then go back to it and then build on it. So sometimes it's just not even words, it's just noise. I'm just
what you know what the noise means.
Yeah, I know what the noise mean, and then it's like me needing to then put words with that sound that I'm making on the recording, and then I'll use that, go into studio and record.
All right. So I'll ask this question a lot.
Yeah.
But the reason why I ask the question because it's different for each person, even though we're in the same space.
Yeah.
You're in UK here. You're doing dancehall music.
Yeah.
Right. It's obviously it's going to be a little bit more challenging than if you were where the source is, i.e. Jamaica.
Yeah. Definitely.
Do you still find? No, I shouldn't. I may ask it this way: how difficult is it now because of a change of the music? Is for you to find the dancehall sound, because obviously the new producers, the rhythms are not as bouncy as they used to be.
Yeah.
And if you are an artist who thinks of dancehall in a certain way, how do you cope? How do you manage? And how do you source like beats now to vibe to? Because obviously the vibe is changing.
Do you know what? That's a good question you've asked me, and the reason why I'm saying that is because a lot of time people say to me, "Oh, why are you still doing music? Oh, what's going on?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm still doing music." And what people fail to realize is the reason why sometimes I'm not always releasing is because a lot of times the beats that are out there, honestly, if I'm being honest, I'm just not feeling it. It doesn't have a certain sound to it that I like. And I find that I struggle to find beats right now to write to, where I feel like, okay, now I feel like, well, I'm coming back on the scene now, and it's like I feel like I have to, because it's like if I'm sitting there trying to wait for a beat, it's just not gonna happen. So I've just got to try and find something as close to what I want to do or something, and then just make it my own and just try and make up for it more with even my flow, if it means that. Because sometimes you hear songs out there, the beats are terrible, but it's obviously the person on it, the flow and all of that, that's carrying it. Yeah. So I feel like that's the space I'm in right now, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to work with what's out there and trying to take my time now and write, rather than going and just write anything. Just take my time with it, write properly, so that, because I don't feel like the beat necessarily is fully carrying the song, so I need to make sure that my lyrics, my flow, my vocals, everything is on point.
What's more important for you? Is it bars or is it melody? Because I've seen there's a trend now where melody is kind of overlaps in the bars. What is best for you? What carries the song more for you?
I think for me, if I'm being honest, you have to have a balance of it. I think there's a balance. Like, I can appreciate good lyrics, but with a nice flow as well. So
it's about a 50-50.
Yeah, I think there has to be a balance of it. I mean, and I think sometimes it depends on the genre, not the topic as well. Do you know what I mean? So if you're talking about party or something, for example, you don't necessarily really need to be mad lyrical in that. Your main aim is the flow.
Okay, one more question. Yeah, who is the biggest dancehall artist right now, barring Vybz Kartel? Because everybody else is a Vybz Kartel in your eyes. Lyrical. Overall, the biggest artist for you from Kalidaskp point of view.
What, separate from Kartel?
Yeah, don't say Kartel.
Okay, because everyone says Kartel. Do you know what? I am feeling, if I'm being honest, I am feeling Alka, like a bit, if I'm being honest. And I'm saying this coming from a place, so when Alka first came out, I didn't like him. Big man thing, I didn't like him. And it was one of them things there where now I can look at him and be like, you know what? I can respect you and give you your credit, like, you know what I mean? Because I've seen you do your thing and I've watched him. I think Alka's doing this thing. I think Alka's...
All right. So, it's like when you say Alkaline now.
Yeah.
We are going to go on with a little something.
Where you gonna know?
We're gonna play some song.
Yeah.
I have a microphone. I've Dragon the day. Dragon that's a freestyle, and the reason why I'm calling it freestyle because you're not getting up your feet. Right? So we're gonna just vibe and just do what you feel like we do, alright? We can do that?
Yeah, man. Cool.
So people on the live right now, remember if you're watching this, like what you see, press up the likes, them, share it up. Kalidaskp.
Yes, make sure you let everyone know on my Insta, my live as well. I'm here. Kalidas _KP. KALIDAS _KP. So go on there.
Let's go.
Public platform.
Kalidaskp people, let's go.
1, 2.
On the ready?
Give me a bit more volume. 1, 2. Yeah. 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 Ewa. I struggle while you headed to the top. The pressure of your loss where you at never believe in success. Succumb to more stress when you find out, say the gate, lock. You're killing them with dreams, don't you stop. Can't see the fire in your eyes, something hot. The passion where you have hold on to that. Listen, all them a first one live, see your flop. Don't let them word lead you to turn back. Keep your heart and motive in the right track. You are steer and no need for no co-pilot. No worry about no dreams, it no roll like that. If you work hard, blessing it will flow like that. Giving up thing, no, that's not an option. Remember, you no grow like that. Listen, concrete sound. I man a king, can't forfeit my crown. Come and get around, listen to the sound. Words from the wise some elders passed down to nation all town. Lost will be found, blind enough to see, make this. When I do shake it ground, so no sell now. Anything me have, you know I must my own. When me sing, solid as a rock, what a rotted stone. Silent the fakes like a phone ringtone. No snaky friends, nothing in my zone. When you up, them a moan and groan. And when me capsize, you know me not Joan. Keep my personality. I man just a deal with unity. We a reach out to our community. Some know me as KP, know me as Shirley. A girl surname but me far from girly. Man ever late till me can't come early. Man a real veteran with a style for the world say. Say man a chop it off. When me a chop off a link with a girl if she thinks say she bad she have to step in on me feel know me is general like general. Oh me a me own federal. I fi believe me, try deceive me. Not being in the girl can't catch me so easy. Yo, I do something different. Listen, phone call time. Ring. Hello. Yo, Blake is only me. Me mess up this time, indeed. Help now, me G. Mess up with one, me and some man go up on a corner. Say we are gonna rob some fool marijuana. Look who we they go for rob my youth. So what? My ambush running, be a man a shoot. Skelly get 1, Johnny get 2. John no star, the man them kill off me crew. Alright, calm down. Where you then know me, I come circle a place after me do the school run. As some atted me I go link up you now. Now stop till the boy them face full of rounds. Really my youth, you know learn. Yo me I tell you the God honest truth. Me no care when a man wants say. Can't look like no punk, make no boy feel like then get wet. Winston, pick up your phone, dog. I'll be a voicemail me get when me call, dog. Remember say your girl pregnant, you know, and with a youth. With your blood she can't raise for her own, dog. Think before you act better, now sugarcoat the thing, dog. You now move clever. Anyway, dog, call me back. Live by the gun. You know the rest of that. B, you are my girl. Me not MJ, but you rock my world. Always a laugh, but still a shy girl. Now make no boy dish you. The boy get punch upon early. You want me pretty little kitty with a perfect smile. For your love, me we walk all 100 mile. If love is a crime, then me have to do the time. Love them in a waste time. Say she want a real man, yes, not one for earth or more. Him have to have real balance and can't just be real hardcore. Say him don't wanna stress tonight. The lifestyle that she live off tonight. Why? Tension off feel left tonight. Why? Girl, listen. She need a real loving. Wanting to kiss up and hugging. Insect like a you bugging. You can't angle her, so best you stick to the tugging. So she need a man with the right notion. Shit, complete devotion. Rub on the lotion. Bedroom time, turn up emotion. What them say? Listen. Hear me I say, man. You want me go on sell?
Go on again, are you right. Go on again, man. Go on.
So me sing. Still stronger. Want me to live out my life with anger. Hey, now run down a fancy life. Me just a go and push now with a 9 to 5 like no longer. Run with the fake friend them fake like manga. Don't have to ask me why. See the fakeness in them eye. Them boy they a spy. I yeah. KP Shirley not trust no guy. Only truth about them is when them tell the lie. And I run round and go on like a bonify. Want bring me down, but by all means try me a star, so try reach the sky. Wanna see me die, take a look in at me eye. Them a pray against the grape, but we still multiply. So me sing like no turning back. Eyes on the prize, I'm residing on me earning spot. Though the flood a beat against me and a traffic wreck me boat, and a traffic make me stumble like me buckle pan a soap. In the meantime, I'm gonna still climb KP. I'm gonna hunger for it like a mealtime. Drop my emotion. This on a field time. Aim is to stay far from the fine line. On your mark, get sick though. It no matter if we start real slow. All that matters is my fitness eye. And me focusing upon another guy. On your mark, get sick though.
Yeah, people. No, I like it.
Oh man, I could keep going for days, man.
I like it. Look like you're rehearsing now. I say, you know what?
I didn't rehearse nothing. Everything that I'm dropping now, I'm just thinking of a bar that I got and like, alright, what should I drop next? Let me drop that.
We like the leads. We like the medicine. We like the story though. That story there.
That's a track on the mixtape still. It's called Street Life. I got a music video for it as well on Akam Entertainment. He's got it up on his YouTube channel.
No, me never hear that one the first time. I like that one. That one that keep me intrigued. That's why I left the rhythm to play out, because I said I want to hear the rest of the story.
Okay. There was more to it. I just cut it and went into something else.
Yeah. One next time we are going to venture down and find out the rest of the story, because that story is very interesting.
That's cool, man.
Like that. People, make sure you go and support the artist. Kalidaskp is the name. Socials is?
Social media. I'm on Facebook. Kalidaskp. Kalidas space then KP. On Instagram, it's Kalidas_KP. So remember the Kalidas KP_KP. So I'm here, man.
Of course. Thank you very much for making the show. All the best. I know we always looking to support your music, and do remember people, please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also to his Facebook. Support his music on Spotify, all streaming.
Can I just say one thing, yeah?
Go on.
My mixtape is called Concrete Sound.
Yep.
You can download it for free. It's on Spotify, all of that. You can get it on my website, kalidaskp.com. Just go on there, you can download it, or you can just search me up on the Spotify and that. So yeah. Check it out.
Simple. Right? People, stick and stay. We got loads more for you coming this way. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shushprint, Vastprint, and produced by World Mag Entertainment. Look, bro, Rasa is here with me live. I know she know the badness, and she responds to all the badness, so she got us bottom